Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. There are traditionally 8 parts of speech. First one, noun, that is naming words. For example, India, man. Second one, pronoun, that is words used to replace nouns. For example, I, we, he, she. Third one, adjective, that is describing words. For example, happy, tall. Fourth one, verb, that is doing, being, having words. For example, do, go, run, play. Fifth one, adverb, that is modifying words. For example, quickly, slowly. Sixth one, preposition, that is words showing relations with the others. For example, in, on, by, over. Next one, conjunction, that is joining words. For example, and, but, or. So last one, interjunction, that is exclaiming words. For example, wow, oh. Thank you.